Okay, see question number 16. This is a little bit cumbersome question. Modulus function is there, and several times we have to take less than or equal to or something like. It has also, we can say that this is a tricky question. Okay, let us see how we are going to solve this question. The number of distinct real roots of the equation. This equation we have to get distinct real roots. Okay, naturally looking like quadratic equation only, x square and x is going to come, but not that much easy to tackle this question. Okay, answer should come 3 real roots should appear. See how I am writing, equation is there, once again I am not repeating the equation, but you see x implies x is equal to 0, x plus 2 implies x is equal to minus 2, x plus 1 implies x is equal to minus 1. Okay, see now what I am doing, I am taking one line, say this is 0 and this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Now see 4 areas we will tackle. This area we will tackle, this area we will tackle, this area, this area. In 4 areas, so every area, if any root is there, real root, not complex number, real root is there, then one root we will go on add, and total 4 roots. 2 roots are there means 2, 8 roots will come. Maximum 8 roots and minimum 0 roots. Because we don't know. If all are not compatible, then 0 roots. But 3 roots are coming as per answer. Let us see how it is going to come under. Okay. Now beforehand, first I am taking this. That means see x is greater than 0. Okay, see first say number 1, this area, x is greater than 0. You know, if x is greater than 0 means modulus function is positive only, then shall I replace this like this, x into x plus 2 into minus 5 of x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Right now, x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, that is the case. Minus 3x, see x square minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, minus 6 has to come and 3 has to come. Can we make it possible? Minus 6 and 3, 2 into 3, I don't think. Okay, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c plus by 2a, 2 into 1, that is equal to c minus 3 means 3 only, plus or minus square root of c, 24 plus 9, 33 by 2, that is equal to c, 33 root what? See, 36 is 6 and 25 is 5. 5.7 actually it has to come. Okay, 5.7 into 5.7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 fives are 34, 39. 7 fives are 35, 5 are 25, 28. 9, 14, 9, 12, 3, 32.49, 33. 5.7 I am taking. Or else 5.75 shall I take? 5.75. 3 plus or minus 5.75 divided by 2. See, unless you know this is square root of 33, you are unable to come to conclusion. That is why I have written that. See, what are the 3 roots? 3 plus 5.75 by 2 and 3 minus 5.75 by 2. See, 5.75, 8.75 by 2 and minus is minus 3 is less, that means is 75. I think minus 2.75. Minus 2.75 by 2, comma. See 4.8.75. 4. See 8.8 means 2.4. Sorry, 4.4. 4.4 and minus 1.36 shall I take? 38. Okay, and now you tell me, clearly we are telling that x should be greater than 0. This is not valid. Why? Because this is less than 0. 4.4 is valid. Shall I write one root? Here, answer. Okay, one root. Okay, now we will see why, because this area one, or else I will write here only one root. 1. Okay, now cosine we will remove here only, not here. Why? Because here in this area one root has come. Okay, another one is not valid. Why? Because it should be greater than 0. This is not greater than 0. Okay, like that we have to go on what we can say, supply. Okay, now second category I am seeing. See, greater than 0 we have seen. Now we will take greater than or equal to. Not greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0 and above. Now see, minus 1 and above but less than 0. See how I am writing this. Minus 1 and above but less than 0. Observe carefully, this is very important. But see, this is very easy to do. But this is not that much easy unless you put some brain. Okay? How to write this equation in this form, there lies your answer. If you do mistake here, then you are not going to get that answer. Okay? X should be less than 0 and greater than or equal to minus 1. Why less than 0, not equal to 0? Already equal to 0 I have taken once. So that is why don't take again. Here you have not taken equal to, that is why you take equal to here. In next case again you don't take equal to 1. You take equal to minus 2 and less than 1, minus 1. Like that you do. Goes on. Okay? Now you tell me, when x is less than 0 but not less than minus 1, equal to or greater than minus 1, then what will happen this equation? Okay, see, this is only going to become negative, minus. See how we are telling, minus x into x plus 2 minus 5 x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0 implies, see how I am changing that equation. See, when x is less than 0, this is going to become minus x. Okay, but now you tell me less than 0 only, not less than minus 1, greater than minus 1. But still, even if you keep your minus 1 also, 2 minus 1, 1, it is going to become positive. That is why this I am keeping same. Okay, there is no negative. Okay, now go back. Here also, you see, it is less than 0 only, but the greater than minus 1 is there still. Okay, or equal to 0 is there. That means here also you are not, 0 also not going to change the symbol. Negative only going to change the symbol. That means see, minus 5 I will keep same thing and no change in symbol. X plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Once you are able to write this, then you are going to get the answer. You see, minus x square minus 2x minus 5x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Now solve. Minus x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. See, all are minus. Shall I send that side? X square plus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, this equation you should get. Then only you get answer. See, 1 into 6, 1 plus 6 is 7. Shall I split? X square plus 6x plus x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay? X if I take common, x plus 6, x square plus 6x. Again x plus 6 I will take common, equal to 0. X plus 6 only is there, plus 1 we take. Okay? Plus x plus 6. X square plus 6x. That means see, x plus 1 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. That means see, what are the roots? X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus x. Now you tell me what limit we have taken. X should be less than 0, but both are less than 0, no problem. But x should be up to equal to minus 1, not less than minus 1. See, this is less than minus 1, that is why you remove this. X equal to minus 1 is valid. Why? Because x equal to minus 1 and above is there. That is why in this area also you are going to get one root. Okay, one root. Shall I write here 2 roots total? Okay, here 1 root, 2 roots. Now we will see this. Now come back for, shall I remove first one? Let me write this. Third. Third, you see, observe carefully, x should be less than or greater than or equal to. X should be less than minus 1. Why? Because here not equal to is there, here equal to is not there. Here minus 2 I will take. Why I have taken? Why? Because 0, minus 1, minus 2, these only I require. Greater than or equal to 0. Less than 0 but greater than or equal to minus 1. Less than minus 1 but greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay? Now you tell me. The value is, once it is less than 0 means here it is going to become anyway negative. See how I am writing it now. See, modulus of x plus 2 minus 5 times of modulus of x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0 implies, see how I am going to change this equation. This is very crucial for us. Okay, when x is already less than 0, this is going to become minus x only, here there is no doubt. Okay, now you see, x is less than minus 1 but not less than minus 2. Maybe equal to minus 2. Equal to minus 2 also it is going to become 0 but not going to become negative. That means see this you have to write same symbol. X plus 2 only. Okay? Now see minus 5 I will write. Now you tell me here. X plus 1. See this is less than minus 1. Less than minus 1 means automatically minus 2 if you take automatically minus 2 plus 1 minus it is going to become negative. Negative means shall I make this positive? I will make this positive and same x plus 1 I am repeating. Minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Now you enlarge. See minus x square minus 2x. Minus x square minus 2x. See plus 5x plus 5. Plus 5x plus 5. Minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Now I am reviewing this first full. Okay? Already I have done this. Okay, come back. Now see, plus 3x shall I write? Minus x square plus 3x. Minus x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. If I set that side, x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Is it okay? Minus minus. Because earlier plus plus. This only minus. Plus plus minus. Okay, first one is plus, remaining two are minus. Okay, now you see, however, minus 4 will come with minus 3. I don't think so. Then you make x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 4 plus 4 by 2a. 2 into 1. Okay. Observe how we are going to get this answer and all. Okay, so that means see, x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of, you see anyway plus 16 plus 9, 25 by 2, that is equal to 3 plus or minus 5 by 2. Okay, so third one we are doing. Third one means see x should come greater than minus 2 equal to or less than minus 1. Okay, see 3 plus 5, 8 by 2. 3 minus 5, minus 2 by 2. Okay. See 4 comma minus 1. Okay, now observe. When x is already less than this thing, 4 is it valid? 4 is not valid. First point. Second point. See x should be less than minus 1, not equal to minus 1. Up to minus 2 go but less than minus 1. Is it valid? This is also not valid. That means see here we are not going to get any what we can say real root. That means see 0. 1 plus 0 plus, we will see here. That means 2 roots only. There is no change. Here we have not got any root. Here we will see. Here we are going to get one more root, then answer is going to be correct. Okay. Now I am going to replace this. Now come back. Now we are going to take this zone. What is this zone? This zone is fourth one. See, x should be less than minus 2. That's all. Less than minus 2. It may be infinity. X should be less than minus 2. That's all. Up to minus infinity it goes. Why? Because there is no limit this side. That is why we can say what we can say. this thing. Not equal to, observe carefully. Why? Because the minus 2 equal to already we have done here. That is why less than minus 2 only you have to take. Less than minus 2. Okay? Comma I am keeping. Once again I will write. You see minus x plus 2 minus 5 times of modulus of x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0 implies. See how we are going to change this equation. Observe carefully here. Okay, see, anyway x is less than 0 means here this is going to become negative minus x. See, x should be less than minus 2 means is say minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus is going to come. That means this is going to become negative. Negative means minus of x plus 2. Or else shall I make mark like this? Definitely. Minus 5 times of, see, this is also going to become negative. That means plus x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Understand? Okay. Now see, x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? If that is the case, x square plus 7x plus 4 equal to 0. 7x plus 4, yes. Okay? Now you see, 1 should come, 4 should come and 7 should come. Can it come 2 into 2? No. 4 means 4 into 1, not going to become 7. 2 into 2, not going to become 7. That means we go for x is equal to minus b plus or minus. That means see, minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square. 49 minus 4 into a. A is 1 into c is plus only 4. By 2a. 2 into 1. That is equal to. Minus 7 you write, plus or minus you write. You see, 49 minus 16. 33. 33 by 2. Okay, shall I remove this remaining? Now come to conclusion. Okay. Here also one root you have to get that. See how we are going to get that root. See, I have already calculated. I said 5.75 I think. Why? Because 6 is 36, 5 is 25, 33 means 5.75. Let us take 5.75. Minus 7 plus or minus 5.75 divided by 2, that is equal to. Okay. Minus 7 plus 5.75 by 2 and minus 7 minus 5.75 by 2. Okay. Now one by one we will do. See, minus 7.00 plus 5.75. Okay. See, 25 will come, 6 will come. Here. 6 minus 5, 1 will come. Minus 1.25. See, is it less than minus 2? No, in this area it is not there. Okay, less than minus 2. See, minus 1.25 means up to less than, greater than 2 only. Greater than minus 2. Okay, greater than minus 2, less than minus 1. This value. Minus 1, minus 1.2, minus 1.5, minus 1.75, then minus 2 will come. That means this area belongs to this area, but we are doing now this area. That is why this root you. Okay, wait. Even divide it by 2 also I have to do. Minus 1. Let us do. That is equal to minus 1.25 by 2 and this you take minus 12.75. Minus 12.75 by 2. Okay. Now something you have to do. Even division also you have to do. Even if you divide, then that is going to become still 125 by 2. 62 and half. 62 and half minus 0.625 100. See, minus 12, 6 point, minus 6.38. Okay. Now you tell me, minus 0.625 means this is going to come here, not even here. This value. That's why this value direct I am rejecting. Why? Because we are doing now here in this area. Minus 6.38 means here only. Why? Because minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 100, minus infinity, all this area. This is valid. That means One more real root is there. That means I am writing here 1. Shall I make it 3? Is it correct answer? 3 roots? Okay? Have patience and do this, or else you are not going to get this answer. Now we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.